Hello viewers, recently I have received an update on my Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 Smart Band. It is a very good feeling whenever I get any update on my smartphone, tablet or any other gadget. The update size of this Fit 3 is around 2.67 MB, so this is a very small update. It will fix the bugs that was available in the previous update. As this is a very small update, you may not feel any difference after updating to the latest version, but inwardly the performance will be enhanced and after this the bugs will be resolved. Actually, Fit 3 has a lot of watch faces in the wearable app. As you can see here, you can download up to 10 at a time. As it has an AMOLED display, most of the watch faces are in black color and also they look very good on Fit 3, but the lighter versions of watch faces do not look good on Fit 3. But as there are tons of watch faces, I think you will never get bored of these watch faces. You can change them at regular intervals to have a fresh look on your Fit 3. After this recent update, there is no inclusion of watch faces as I can see here. Now I will install one watch face in this app so that you can see by yourself how it looks. This is a new watch face that I have installed on my Fit 3. As this is an AMOLED display, outdoor visibility is not an issue on this Galaxy Fit 3. Actually, black watch faces look good, but if you install any lighter version of watch face, as you can see here, the bezels are so thick that it doesn't look good. Now you can ask me about the sensors of oximeter, blood rate sensor, so it is not possible for me to say anything after updating right now. If you are interested, I will make another video regarding the performance of the sensors so that you can have a clearer idea whether you should buy this Fit 3 or not. During offers, you can buy this Fit 3 at around 3000 rupees. That will be a very good buy if you want a branded smart band. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.